Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Surface app. Okay, so first of all, you need to download the Surface app from the Microsoft Store and launch it to begin managing your Surface ecosystem. View the comprehensive details, including the serial number, the firmware versions, and also warranty status for all of your Surface products. Monitor your battery health and enable smart charging to extend the lifespan by limiting charging to only 80% during frequent use. Access the built-in Surface Diagnostic toolkit to identify any issues, run repairs, and also submit support tickets seamlessly. And then adjust your Surface pen pressure sensitivity, manage your privacy settings, and configure accessories for your perfect setup. Then lastly, check for and install all the latest firmware and driver updates to ensure optimal device performance. And as a bonus tip, explore and see what features are actually available.